This might surprise everyone, but I ended up buying a house, and it's a little of a fixer-upper, so bear that in mind when I give you the house tour. This is my entryway, and as you can see, I already got trash everywhere because I'm in the middle of working. If you turn to the right, this here is going to be my room. So, the guy who worked on this house before did a good job on the carpet, so I'm going to be keeping the carpet. But as a theme, you'll notice that in every room, it's missing closet doors. So I'm going to have to install closet doors in every room. And then you'll see something interesting. There's a door right here, and then there's a door right there. That's because this room used to be a garage, but it was converted into a bedroom, and they added this bathroom in for, I guess this will now be the master bedroom. And this bathroom, as you can see, there's work going on, but I'm probably gonna change all of this. I want to get rid of this corner shower, get some kind of bathtub. That unfortunately is gonna make this thing shorter, but I feel like having a bathtub and a shower is a lot better. The toilet is gonna stay. It's a brand new toilet. I'm just gonna replace all the flooring and then whatever is going on in the piping. It's probably good. Another interesting thing to note is that this is a bathroom, but the window is perfectly clear. Yeah, I'm gonna either have to replace this window with a frosted window or just put a curtain there. For now, I'll just put a curtain. And so we're going to go through the rest of the house. This is the entryway again. This is the living room. So there's a big stack of flooring right here. And behind this giant chunk of wood is another stack of flooring. I'm going to be changing all the flooring in the house. Not all of it. I'm going to keep the carpet in the rooms. But this right here, yeah, that's linoleum. Yeah, ugly. Well, not really ugly. It looks fine, but, it's linoleum. This is so far the only heating I have in the house. It's a wood stove. And when I first got here, the inside was all nasty and gross. So I got new fire brick to replace everything on the sides. It was pretty much a barren stove with no fire brick. And then right here, I have the gasket pulled off, and I'm going to take off this, I guess it's like a cement glue, and replace the gasket with this that I got right here. And then this window was all clouded up and nasty. I'm going to take it out and clean it fully, but yeah, this thing, you weren't able to see through it before. Here is the kitchen. As you can see, I've already torn up the linoleum from the kitchen. And yeah, I'm working under the sink. This house has galvanized steel pipes, so I'm planning on slowly replacing all the galvanized steel with PEX. Back behind this bicycle, I have a huge roll that's 300 feet of PEX. So that's going to be replacing all the galvanized steel pipes. This door that says watch your step, I'm not even going to bother going in there. That's where the laundry is going to be. Here's my stove. Here's a refrigerator that I got. The stove will eventually go right here, but all these cabinets, everything around, that's all going to go. I ordered new cabinets and I got paint for them, so I'm going to end up painting them, replacing all the cabinets. And then this is hilarious. Check this out. So this looks like a normal backsplash, right? But the thing is, it's just like a sticker. It's not tile or anything. So this, I'm going to take that, put a tile backsplash. And here's my backyard, all overgrown. That's the linoleum I pulled out of the kitchen. That thing is super dangerous. It wobbles. There's no actual support to hold it up. I'm going to tear that thing down as soon as possible. There is like some dog kennel that was made before. I'm going to convert that into a chicken coop, get some chickens. And then that is a shed. It used to be really nice, you can tell. Actually, we'll go check it out. You can tell the shed was really nice, but whoever was living here before totally messed it up. Yeah, here's the shed. It's all like destroyed and nasty right now. All this stuff on the ground, well, of course there's leaves, but that's drywall. So like the inside of this shed was all like drywalled up and like really well done. But then I guess whoever was living here didn't care for it at all, which is a bummer. But yeah, I'm eventually gonna redo this shed back to its former glory. Yeah, and it's cool. It had like power going to it and everything. Yeah. Here's another view of the backyard. I'll go show the doggy kennel that I'm going to convert into a chicken coop. You know, it's not too big, but can fit a couple chickens in there. Fine. And yeah, this is tall grass. Maybe a wild Pokemon will come out. Here's the other side of the house. I'm so happy that the roof is in good shape. I probably wouldn't have gotten it if the roof were bad. But gotta go. Gonna end up weed whacking this whole thing. That gate I'm gonna have to rebuild because it's falling apart. Then I'll give you a tour of the rest of the house. Through that window is the laundry room. It's kind of nasty in there. Here's the kitchen again. All my bikes are in the kitchen right now because I don't have a way to lock the shed, and I don't really want to leave them in that gross shed. So right now, they're sleeping here. Yeah, cool stuff. Back to the living room. Over here is a hallway. This hallway, I called this room 1, hallway bathroom, room 2, and room 3. Right now, I'm using room 1 as storage. So this is just gonna be storage while I'm renovating the house. As you can see, no closet door. I already mentioned that none of the rooms have closet doors. And then the guy who tried to fix up this house just like did a really shoddy job on most things. Like none of the doors are really hanging right. Here's the bathroom. As I said before, I'm going to be replacing all the flooring. So all the flooring in the bathroom is going to be replaced with the stuff I got. This sink I'm going to replace. I wanted to keep this bathroom mostly how it is. But since it's galvanized steel and all this stuff, I don't know if you can see that. Oh no, not really. Kinda. There's like this white speckly. Yeah, that's all mold. I'm gonna have to like take this out, rip out the drywall right there, replace it, and then see what's happening under there. Hopefully nothing is leaking too bad. This shower I'm gonna replace just cause like, you know, it's old school, kinda nasty. This bathroom also has these like little storage nooks inside, so I'm planning on renting out the rooms. I would say like these each will be bathroom storage for each of the individual rooms. So whoever's renting them out could have their own like personal bathroom storage and not have to share anything. And then there's this thing. This thing is it's dumb. I don't like it. It's like supposed to be like some fancy towel rack, but it like doesn't support itself, and it's just flimsy and awkward to use. So I'm just gonna replace this with a regular towel rack. This is room 2. The rooms are mostly in good shape. I don't have to have much worry about the rooms. They just don't have closet doors. They have like some holes in the walls that I'm gonna patch up, but for the most part, they're good. And this is room 3. This has like work clothes. This has the access to under the house. So when I go and replace all the galvanized steel with PEX, I'm going to be digging around down there a lot. These are my work pants, gloves, knee pads. I was already down there checking it out. It, it's under a house, kind of eerie, makes you feel like you're in a dungeon. So yeah, this is the last room. Hope you had fun watching my house tour. See you later.